What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now today I finally decided to get a Nintendo Switch Pro controller. Now hopefully this would change my gaming experience. I'll let you guys know at the end of the video, so I'm gonna be playing like a few games because I've been playing with these two, the Joy-Cons, so it's time. And I can tell you that this is not the way to go, but like, yeah, hopefully this feels like a regular controller and then makes me better at Smash Bros. And yeah, stay to the end of the this also shipped, and then oh my god, there's a little dent in it, but that's okay. But yeah, everything looks pretty cool. They have the Nintendo Switch. Well, this one said it was gonna be imported from Japan, and it's not. It's from the United States. So if you see that guy and you want it from Japan, it's not from Japan. I didn't want it from Japan. It doesn't matter because they're all the same. And let's open it. All right, guys, I just opened it, so we're gonna put it on. So that's what the inside looks like for right now. We're gonna put it down, and there's the control right away. So here's the control. Let's see if that was right. Let's see if there's there is a wire. So this thing comes with a USB-C wire, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's right there, right in front. It's definitely USB-C, so you don't have to worry. With the Nintendo logo written in it. Let me unbox this first. All right. I heard this is one of the best controls you can ever feel, and then so far, it feels really good. It feels, oh my god, this is literally like perfect for my hands. It feels really good. So you got two, I don't know what these things are called, but you got two of these. This thing, you got a minus and plus button, a picture button, and a home button, which is really, really good. And this is probably gonna be my main controller forever. And yeah, it just feels so perfect. It doesn't feel cheap or anything. Oh, we got some tape on the top. Let me take it out. Hopefully you guys can hear this. Oh my god, that sound, if you guys can hear it. If not, I'm sorry. But yeah, here's the top. It's looking so bright. So to pair it, you guys have to go to the right there and go to the change controllers, and then just press this button and it should connect. Or you can use the USB-C with your dock and connect it that way. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So far, it feels good on the hand. Anyways, I think that is it. I'm gonna be playing around for like probably 1 hour and tell you probably how. Actually, I'm not even gonna do it. It's just better. You can tell already. If you're pretty much playing on console, you already know how a control feels, and yeah, it's gonna make it easier. I suggest you really, really get this. It feels so good. And I'll see you guys in a little bit.